Hey, hi, Kranti.
Hello, what's up?
What's happening? What's happening?
Working.
So, this is your first podcast officially.
Yeah, I'm a little excited, nervous, and I don't know what you're gonna ask me, but yes.
Don't worry, I won't ask your bad clientele stories, but
I
most.
really hope so.
Oh, is there some bad?
Let's not talk about it.
Oh, shit. Okay, let's start from the top. You are a producer. You're a
Yes.
media producer. You do a lot of ads. You do a
Yes.
lot of music videos. You've done a lot of great spots also. So, but I don't want to know what you're doing right now, but I want to know what exactly how you started. Like I know you since college. First,
Yeah.
you are my senior,
Yeah.
and I wanted to know like after college, how did you progress and thought कि भाई filmmaking करेंगे.
Huh.
That is something I think everybody, like every college student who wants to do the thing you do right now,
Yeah.
uh, they want to know more about it. So tell me about how did you start?
You just made me feel like, oh my god, I'm so cool.
No, I just said you are too old.
Oh, fun.
No, kidding. But yeah, but you're
Uh,
senior. You have a lot of experience, and somebody with your experience can actually guide people around. So over to you.
Okay, so do you want me to talk about college or you don't want me to talk about college or it's like, oh, Kranti.
You can talk about college because I missed college. So yeah, you can talk about college.
So until last year of college मुझे पता नहीं था कि मैं producer बनने वाली हूँ या फिर I'm going to go into filmmaking. I was prepping for UPSC and I gave my attempt, but I was also talking to one of our college professor like, so what do I do? And he was like, I think you're good in production, why don't you try film production? And that was like a shocker for me as well, that मैं जा पाऊंगी, it's for cool people, am I cool, because I was an introvert in college. And yeah, I just left that room and then there was one poster which said Prahlad Kakkar School of Branding and Ad Filmmaking.
Oh,
As
correct.
like, I joined that college because it had horse riding, scuba diving, skydiving. Uh, and then filmmaking just happened, to be honest. But then I I started to work as a DA along with my college course. So I used to DA is director's associate. So I
Hmm.
used to intern somewhere and like I used to help that director with referencing, finding. I don't know if referencing would be a word like that I need to make people understand.
Yeah, it's pretty clear. But
I used to do referencing, then art referencing, do casting, do art direction. Then I realized that this is more into creative stuff, and I think I should go into production because I love management.
correct.
And then I did like a reality show. I was there for like 2 episodes,
Okay.
and
And
then I
which
left.
reality show it is?
India's Next Top Model.
Oh,
Yeah. So I did
sweet.
like 2 episodes as an intern.
Which year this was? 2000?
2017 or 18 types.
Oh, damn. Interesting.
So yeah, I worked as an intern just for like 2 episodes and then I left because I thought advertising is what uh I
Interests you more.
yeah.
But crazy, like from moving out of college just because your professor said
Yeah,
that was, and you were doing you were prepping for UPSC,
exactly.
and you moved away to totally opposite thing, which is not something very sustainable. I still feel film production being in a unit is
Yeah,
not something people with having a behavior like introvert can sustain.
exactly.
So it must be very difficult for you.
It was very difficult like being on set there are 2000 people, there are hundreds of people
Correct.
and initially I was like, how do I socialize? What do I talk? Because people used to talk about random things, and I was like, मैं नहीं बात कर सकती हूँ random चीज़ों के बारे में. What do I talk to them? How do I start a conversation? But little by little, because I was blessed with like amazing bosses,
Hmm.
they have helped me a lot to develop my skills, and they've helped me. Like they used to push me, like ja, ye kar, wo kar, and I think that has helped me a lot. And now I think I no more call myself an introvert, but I call myself as selectively social.
I think that's a good T-shirt to
Yeah,
wear with.
yeah, I am selectively social now.
But like coming from working as a DA, now working on a serial like episode to episode as an intern, then moving to advertising.
Yeah.
So, what was your first biggest gig as a producer?
As a producer, that was so I started working as an associate before
Correct.
getting to proper production types. It was with Vicky Kaushal and Rashmika Mandana. It was for Amul Macho.
Oh,
So I was working with a production house called Zigzag Films.
correct.
So I was working there for like 3 years, and then my boss, she trusted me. She's like, "You're a producer on this job, and you're going to do that." And it just randomly happened on set. I was an associate while prepping for the project, and then all of a sudden she's like, "तूने तो producer का काम कर लिया है, तू producer है, तू आज से producer बन गई." And I was like, "Okay, ऐसे होता है." I thought ऐसे कुछ, there will be like a ceremony for me, but no. But then it was like a big project because it was with Vicky Kaushal and
Correct.
Rashmika Mandana. But yeah, it was fun.
But okay, for the people, for the students or people who are from outside who doesn't have any idea what is exactly is a role of a producer, what
Yeah.
exactly that tag means, can you tell them in detail exactly what is the role of a producer in a format of advertising?
Okay. Until last year, my parents were asking me this same question कि तू करती क्या है? क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता है. And wherever I go, people ask me, "Oh, do you invest money?" Because this is like the biggest question, and they are like, "Okay, she's very rich. She has money. ये invest करती है, producer है." But no, that's not the case. Like being a producer, advertising producer, we get money from the client. Client invests their money, and then it's our job to make sure that the money is flow lined in a proper way. How you execute, where the money goes, how are you spending the money, how are you making the money. So that's what my job is, to firstly hire the crew along with my director, whatever my director prefers, and then streamline that. ठीक है, सब budget में है ना, is my only line that I use. Budget ठीक चल रहा है ना, सब budget में है ना, with my line producers. So yeah.
So, like, just to understand the process of when a client give you an X amount, so
हाँ.
you make a budget sheet before you hire everybody.
Yeah, we do make like a working budget.
Correct.
With the line producer, they help us with making a
Mapping out
working.
the whole project.
Yeah, for example, if the project is of चलो एक X number लेते हैं अभी, 20 लाख का अगर प्रोजेक्ट है तो मैं बोलूँगी लाइन
Kranti,
प्रोड्यूसर
let's
को.
be fair. You don't do 20 lakh projects. So let's take a little bigger
Let's
number there.
अगर चलो 20 लाख आप बता दो, एक नंबर बता दो.
चलो
चलो
एक
मैं
सीआर ही ले लो, एक बोला ही तो.
1 CR. ओके कूल.
Yeah.
चलो अब मैं बता रही तो बता ही देती हूँ. सो इफ आई गेट अ प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ 1 CR फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सो आई टेल द लाइन प्रोड्यूसर कि प्लीज़ मेक श्योर कि 1 CR में हमको ये प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट करना है, या मे बी लाइक 95 lakhs में कंप्लीट करा दो. So then he will plan like what kind of crew we need to hire, what kind of art director, what kind of project, what kind of studio will
Will be
rent out.
required.
Yes, yes. So all these things he'll decide. He'll come to me. He'll tell us that this is what I feel, and if the project is moving more beyond 1 CR, like कि होगा नहीं, कि 1 करोड़ के अंदर नहीं होगा, इससे ज़्यादा पैसे लगने वाले,
हाँ.
देन वी हैव टू डिसाइड कि अब क्या करेंगे, अब कैसे हम प्लान करेंगे कि चीज़ें 1 करोड़ के अंदर करें. सो दैट्स लाइक अ टास्क फॉर अस.
But has been any project where you have asked your client to increase the budgets? Because sometimes you never know, like the client also is more invested on the project because of the creativity which
Yeah,
has come from the
yeah,
director, or
yeah.
sometimes there's where you need more funds for arts, for say.
uh to be honest, not on a production side, that I would not go to the client and say कि अरे आर्ट में पैसे लगने वाले, पैसे दो. नो, दैट्स नॉट द इशू. दे विल बी लाइक पहले बोलना चाहिए था.
Correct.
But there are few instances where which I remember are like जहाँ पे it was like there was that some amount that was needed, and client was happy enough to pay that amount because they saw the, like, this is a good investment for them. So ऐसे भी होता है और कभी कभी नहीं भी होता है कि
Like I have heard stories, like a lot of times client after PPM, which is pre-production meeting,
Yeah.
people usually clients ask for few things which are not able to be mapped in a budget, so
Yeah.
they give us a like a extra budget
Yeah,
for
yeah,
those
it
kind of
depends कि
requirements.
कर लो if required then yeah they do because then हम बोल देते हैं आपने तो दिया नहीं था तो हमको अभी चाहिए तो आप दे दो but they do give us the
But like a
amount.
producer, the whole drill is to hire the best people for the best jobs.
Best people and you're the mediator, you're the peacemaker between the client agency and the crew.
Correct.
So you have to be the calmest person on set.
Like a project which you were leading, the first big project, like the Vicky Kaushal and Rashmika Mandana one. How many departments usually a production has?
Oh. So now we'll have to count तो एक घंटा जो चला जाएगा but there are like more than 15 departments that we have to take care
For
of.
production, like for ads, I think even walkie-talkie management is a
Yes,
department.
sound, walkie-talkie,
Everything is
everything.
important.
Like
Everybody has a
craft.
dedicated person.
Yes.
Like whereas I feel in music video, it's like we do multiple things as people.
Yeah.
Like the person who's a producer can be the clap boy also because
Yes,
of budgets.
because now I am doing music videos
Correct.
and I know how it is. And then, so Pasta is our baby.
Yes,
Pasta
Pasta
Studios.
Studios.
Yes.
I love the name. Like, so you and Prashant Satyam run this
Yes.
crazy studio house which does a lot of crazy music videos and ads. I have been following, I have been seeing, and love the whole tonality to creativity you people are bringing on board.
Yeah.
It's something
It's
which reminds me of Lyrical Lemonade. So
wow.
like it's a particular house which does great music videos, and I
Yeah.
think India was missing it from a very long time. That there's no somebody specific who is doing something in the music video scene.
It's Prashant's dream and we are just working for it.
But I think that's a great dynamics. Like people who are co-founders, one takes care of the creativity and one takes
Yeah.
care of business. It's the best duo,
Yes,
and I
yes.
think that is working great for you
Yeah,
guys.
yeah. So Pasta's dream is to just create a culture. So we are not here to just make films, but a culture.
I've seen your
So
pasta parties also.
yes, the most awaited parties of the industry where everybody just enjoys.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. But like, how did pasta came? Like, I so there's a link of Satyam and you. We both are from SIS.
Yes.
You're again my super seniors.
Yeah.
So like, it happened before you people started working, or it was already happening. Like it was in the pipeline for so many years, or it happened instantly.
So, to be honest, during college,
Hmm.
Prashant and I never spoke. He's my super senior.
Correct.
I and Prashant never spoke. We never knew of each other. One random day, I get a message on Facebook. Oh, this is my showreel. Let's work together. And I was like, okay, wait. We know we were in same college. And he's like, अच्छा तू SIS से है. So that was our first interaction. He's like, okay, let's meet someday. And that time I was a full-time producer somewhere. So I said, yeah, maybe we should. And it is Prashant's dream, and I'm just part of Pasta Studios. Uh, so yeah, Prashant one day, all of a sudden, again, he just sent me like 3, 4 images, Pasta Studios, Pasta Studios, Pasta Studios with different backgrounds. And he's like, इसमें से select कर, this is our company. And I was like, okay then, okay. And then he's like, next week we are going for a shoot. And randomly we just booked our tickets and we went to do our first project in Goa. It was just me, Prashant, and 2 other friends of ours. And we just shot something. We came back, and then you all know what pasta is all about.
Damn, this is interesting. Like sometimes unexpected things become the best things.
Exactly. Like if you ask me, like a year ago, if you would have asked me, do I know how to produce music videos? I used to be like, what are they? How do
And
they
now,
work in
and
those
now look at
budgets?
you.
Yeah.
Now who is just sitting at home and just doing music videos?
Just music videos. Like 2023 for me was all about music
How many
videos.
music video did you guys do in 2023?
Maybe more than 6 for sure. Aram se.
I think more than 6. Easy.
See, I'm not able to count, so
Mm,
I'm just being humble, maybe.
interesting. Nice way of saying being humble. So, but yeah, let's come back from pasta to you
Yes.
specific, because for that let's have a chat with you and Prashant together.
We
about
would
pasta.
love that.
Like that would be a great one because Prashant is a kind of a crazy guy.
Yeah.
I want to see you both having a discussion where I want to just pick yourself and I want to banter about music videos because of a lot of things. But coming back to production, producer, like
Yeah.
it's just not picking up the whole team, right?
Huh.
On set producer, what exactly the producer do? Like on proper, like on day of shoot, like not I'm not talking about pre-production or a tech recce or a recce. I'm talking about the production on date stuff.
So on day, we are like, because I became a DA first and then a producer. I am more into creative stuff. So I make sure that we are on time.
Correct.
That's like my job.
That's,
Ki
I guess, it's AD's job as well.
to be on time and make sure that everyone is on time.
Correct.
So I am a mediator between the agency creatives and my director. What the agency prefers, if the shot is okay, if I'm not okay. So and then I go to the director and then I'll ask him, if you are okay, then I can go and ask the agency. So I keep on like switching my roles. Ki,
Basically, you're the peacemaker.
yes, I
Mm,
have to be. Mostly, मैं खुद को I call myself a therapist on set.
ah,
It's very important because people go through so many things, and then they like I remember there was one AD who was just sitting quietly, and I just went, and I was not aware that, because it was his first day as an intern AD.
oh,
So
damn.
it just came
Must be
and he was
difficult for him.
exactly, and he's like, what is this, what is this, ये मैंने कभी देखा नहीं है. And I was like, okay, I remember myself like
The
years
first day.
ago. Introvert Kranti was sitting just ऐसे कि चल क्या रहा है ये मैंने फिल्म स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ा है कि ये क्या है सब. But yeah, I mean, then that day onwards, I've started to call myself a therapist. I am a therapist, I'm a doctor. uh,
So, Dr. Kranti.
Dr. Kranti.
Dr. Kranti. Why don't
I don't prescribe medicines, but I do help people to.
I thought you were gonna say I
I
I
don't.
give
I
cannabis to
don't.
everyone. But like being like everybody who wants to do something, right? There's always somebody who is their idol, who's their inspiration.
Yeah.
So for people like us who are into the production,
Hmm.
like, do we have inspiration? What is our inspiration? Do we have an idol we look forward to that we want to be like somebody? Do you have somebody like that?
Uh, to be honest, yes and no, both the bosses that I've worked with. So recently I have started, like, not recent, quite recently, but it's been 2 years. I'm working with this production house called Lens Flare Films.
Correct.
And so they hired me as a freelance producer, the EP Naveed Khan.
Correct.
He's been in this industry for more than 15 years now, and I
Super,
call,
super senior.
yes, and like it's the best time when I work with him because I learn so many things. And I think I call him as my inspiration. And then my ex boss, Anupama Aluwalia. So she's been in this industry for more than 25 years now. And she was in an agency. So she knows how agencies function. And now she started her own production house. So when I started like a baby with her, and she's the one who said, "Aaj se tu producer hai." So she's my inspiration because she is like a boss lady. She do everything so effortlessly that I want to be someone like her. I want to be like her. But yeah, but she's that person that whenever I go to her and I'll say that, I want to be like you. You're so amazing. You're so cool. And she's like, no, you have to make your own self. And I hope that years down the line that I'll be Kranti Thandel.
You are Kranti Tandil and you're great. So on the pod itself, on the first episode, I'm very happy to call you. It's a privilege, of course. Like
Oh ho.
I'll tell you one thing. I've worked with a lot of men and women, right, on
Yeah.
sets, and I've seen different characteristics of people. We have never worked with each other, but I've seen you working, right?
Yeah.
So I feel that you're quite strong, you're quite bold, you are a decision maker, and you are the lady in business.
Yeah.
And putting your foot in production with being a lady, I
Yeah.
think
It's difficult
it's difficult, but
sometimes.
you're doing a super great job.
Yeah.
And I shouldn't say because you're doing great, it's just that you're ruling it. So it's very happy to see like
Like a boss.
like a boss and as a friend also. It feels great. Like whenever I need something, I can just text you, and
Yeah.
you're always there to help me out. So I feel it's a very positive thing to be in contact with you. So
Yeah.
that's there. But again, बहुत तारीफ हो गई यार. Fuck.
हाँ यार, मतलब
बहुत
मुझे
तारीफ हो
ऐसे
गई
लगा कि ओके फाइन शुभम, इट्स
यार.
ओके, मैं रिप्लाई दूंगी टाइम पर.
हम कट कर देंगे इस पार्ट को. ये तारीफ हटा देंगे हम. But again, now coming like working on sets, right? I, I have seen this. I have observed this. There's a. I don't want to say it out loud, but there has been a lot of toxic cultures of abusing people on
Yeah,
sets. What is your take on that?
I think that should not happen. uh, I make sure. So I started very young. I think I was 22 when I became a producer.
Too young.
22, 20, yes. And मेरे को पहले my bosses used to say that अपनी एज मत बताना किसी को, क्योंकि अगर मैंने बताया कि मैं 22 साल की और मैं तुम्हारी बॉस हूँ, तो लोग मुझे बच्चे जैसे ट्रीट करना स्टार्ट करते थे. एंड
100%.
that happened, like there were a lot of instances where people did not treated me well, but then thankfully I was supported and I was protected. I was in a protected environment, so I was not harmed. But I know that ever since I've started freelancing and I work with different production houses, so I know how it goes and everyone is so different. I make sure that I am not that person to harm anybody in any way, like mentally, emotionally. I don't want to do that. That's
Correct.
like my conscious decision. But I remember that वो कैसे लगता है जब कोई रिप्लाई नहीं देता है when you're just starting up and तुम बहुत सारे डाउट्स होते हैं तुम्हारे बारे में, तुम because you're young and you're like learning, you don't know and you're just like पता नहीं ये क्या सोच रहा है, ये इतना बड़ा प्रोड्यूसर है, ये मुझे रिप्लाई नहीं दे रहा है, कितना एटीट्यूड है इसमें, या फिर ये मुझे रिप्लाई क्यों नहीं दे रहा है. बट नाउ दैट आई एम ऑन द अदर साइड, आई मेक श्योर दैट आई रिस्पॉन्ड पीपल,
I think that's
बिकॉज
very important.
दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई समटाइम्स 3-4 दिन भी लगता है रिप्लाई देने के लिए, बट आई मेक श्योर दैट आई रिप्लाई, आई टॉक टू पीपल, because I don't want to have that gap between like a producer and my crew. I make sure that I'll talk to them, I'll talk about life, I'll talk about everything, because everyone goes through some or the other thing. We do talk about mental health, we do talk about everything. I make sure that, if my crew is working, that they take some breaks in between, so that नहीं होना है, burnout नहीं चाहिए किसी को.
Burnout नहीं चाहिए. Even abusive language use
नहीं
नहीं होना चाहिए.
चाहिए.
Like
मस्ती मजाक ठीक है, चलो
मस्ती
चिल
मजाक तो
कर रहे हैं,
करो
but
यार.
not.
We have opted this
Yes,
professions to have fun while
fun,
working.
exactly.
But when we work in the right manner, instead of just, if there is somebody who's being laid back, we
Yeah,
just boost them but not abuse them.
yeah,
I have,
exactly.
like, we worked on like a lot of sets. We have made a policy of no abuse. If somebody abuse, he's out of the set instantly.
Yeah, same here. I mean, I make sure that if someone is being crossing the boundary, I make sure that I speak to the person and I'll be like, get out.
Yeah, no tolerance on
Yes, yes.
away from it. But yeah, it's there. Like, I've seen, like, actually the thing is, our generation, from where you and me come, we are quite aware of how to behave.
Maybe, yes.
But generation before was very
No, it's
different.
the old school way of working, maybe. ऐसे
हाँ, गाली दे के नहीं काम करोगे तो काम नहीं होगा. मैंने
ऐसे
देखा
हो
है.
सकता है.
मतलब I've
Old
seen,
school type of working, but not everyone is like that, because I work with senior producers,
like,
and
I'm not talking about everybody, but I have
but there are
seen a
few,
lot of
maybe
people.
there are few of them.
Like,
I have not dealt with them
I
for to be
have dealt
on.
with them, and I have seen people commenting on my sets. Like, one thing about my sets is, like, I bring the best hospitality in terms of food and gesturing and
Oh,
everything.
of course.
So
खाना है
खाना तो है,
तो
and we bring a great hospitality. मतलब आपको इतना ऑप्शन खाने को मिलेगा, आप सोच भी नहीं सकते हो. तो मेरा गैफर आके मुझे बोलता है, सर पहली बार इतना अच्छा खाना मिला है.
uh-huh.
And that guy is like been in industry for 18-20 years,
Yeah.
and he is coming and saying it's a compliment.
हाँ.
It's not a comment, or it's not a note, it's a
हाँ.
compliment for me. And because I'm just new, I've just started working out, and he is saying कि सर इससे अच्छा खाना कहीं नहीं मिला. I'm like, damn. तो उसने मुझे बताया कि सर हमको सेट पे ना इतनी गाली पड़ती थी, हम सारा 2 मिनट के लिए ब्रेक ले रहे खाने जाना, तो डायरेक्टर चिल्ला देता था
हाँ.
माइक पे कि क्या खाने के लिए आए हो क्या. बोल तो मेरे को
But
समझा नहीं कि इतना टॉक्सिक कल्चर आता किधर से. एंड आई हैव मेट ग्रेट पीपल आल्सो, लाइक द पीपल हु आर इन द इंडस्ट्री, हाउ यू सेड, लाइक 20 years, 25 years, they're super sweet. They actually educate and help you to grow on sets also.
yeah, like for me, like because I'm working with Lensflare, it's been like 2 years, and I'm freelancing with them. But I work with 10 men. I'm the only girl working during prep. Hardly अगर कोई AD second AD female है नहीं तो फिर मैं अकेली रहती हूँ. But the kind of help, support, and pampering that I get is different, and it's a learning process. Like I don't feel like anyone is gonna abuse me or whatever. Nahi.
I think we don't come from that generation, and we don't even tolerate such stuff.
Exactly,
Like if
exactly.
somebody even does, we instantly know how to fix it in real time.
Yeah,
So I don't think that will happen to us.
yeah, yeah.
Like in my sets, there have people who have abused a lightman because he was doing it wrongly. I said कि भाई आराम से बात करोगे तो भी होगा. अगली
हाँ,
बार गाली दोगे, आप बाहर जा रहे हो, आप कोई भी हो, अब HOD
yeah,
ही
yeah,
हो जाओ. I will not tolerate it. So they also understand कि okay यार, we are doing something wrong and somebody is correcting us. So
yeah.
let's not do it.
Hmm, hmm,
Appreciate it,
hmm,
right?
hmm.
It's at the end of the day,
It's
if
it's a
you're a producer, it's your set, right?
yeah.
Nobody can come and say कि भाई मैं ऐसे ही काम करता हूँ.
No, no, no.
And if we are doing the right thing, you should also do the right thing. So
No,
that's
not
there.
really. Yes, yes. Because it's very important. So one thing that I make sure that I do that agar do parties are not aligning with each other, I make sure that okay, let's communicate. Let's talk about it.
Dr. Kranti in action.
Yes, let's communicate. So communication is always the key because there's always that production direction का fight कि
Oh, fuck.
वो नहीं प्रोडक्शन मुझे ये नहीं दे रहा है एंड डायरेक्शन टीम गोज लाइक या द प्रोडक्शन इज नॉट हेल्पिंग अस आउट एंड देन द प्रोडक्शन टीम गोज लाइक डायरेक्शन टीम डिले कर रहा है इसकी वजह से काम नहीं हो रहा है सो आई एम लाइक ओके लेट्स गेट ऑन अ कॉल लेट्स कम्युनिकेट
That call. That call is the most fun call.
the fun call where I'm quiet, they talk, and then I'm like, okay, now let's come back to the solution. What's the solution? Let's talk about it.
I think producer role is to find solutions in where there are a lot of problems.
Yes.
And that's our skill set. So as a producer, like how your professor in college said you should be in production, what were the qualities which he found and you think is for a producer?
For a producer, the qualities that he saw, because I was in college also, I used to manage all these events. I was into student council. I used to represent BMM. Uh, and I was good in management. I was good with people. I used to talk nicely. I think that's like a good thing. I don't pretend, but I am a good person.
Of course you're a good person. Nobody doubted it, but again, like it's just not that thing, right? Like when you're being a producer, you're just not a nice person. You
No, you
understand?
have to understand people.
Yeah.
So, more than college, it came because of my family. I stay in a joint family. We are 25 people staying in a house. Ji haan. So, I deal with people of different nature, different personalities every day. So, it was very easier for me to understand people. Like, if a spot is going through something, I'll understand. If an agency or client is going through something, I will understand because I see on an everyday basis. So that has helped me a lot because it's more or less like you understand your people. You have to be there. You have to be grounded. You have to understand people. And I think उस वो पता चल गया तुमको तो तुम अच्छे प्रोड्यूसर हो. तुम अच्छे हो तुम्हारा प्रोडक्शन अच्छा ही है.
And even do you think maths business also helps?
Like counting numbers.
Yep.
I do have people for that.
But still, you need to be there, right? Like
Yes.
it's one of the skill that is
Yes,
also
of
very
course. Yes,
important.
yes, yes. Very important. Very
I
important.
I have seen a lot of producer who just sees a budget sheet. वो बोलता है ये इतना budget था इतना fix हुआ ये गलत है.
हाँ
I have
होता है
seen such people,
होता है
right?
बिकॉज आर्ट में जब हम प्रोडक्शन डिजाइनिंग की बात करें तो अगर फली से बन रहा है या प्लाई से बन रहा है उससे भी बजट बहुत
ऊपर नीचे होता है.
ऊपर नीचे होता है.
And I think that's the part, like with experience being a producer, you know what kind of a production will be there needed.
Yes, after seeing the script I know the budget.
That's
I just
the
have to org the script and I know what's the budget where
and there's
who
an instant
who's
of a producer also, right?
yes.
I have seen a lot of greater producer. They have an instant कि इसमें ये red flag है.
हाँ
ये पहले क्लियर कर लो, नहीं तो
हाँ,
ये फंसोगे बाद में.
जी हाँ,
एंड आई हैव थॉट कि इसमें क्या ही रेड फ्लैग है, एंड व्हेन वी गो क्लोजर टू आवर पीपीएम और आवर रेकी, समथिंग पॉप्स आउट एंड लाइक मैंने बोला था ना.
हाँ,
आई एम लाइक
ये
डैम.
दिस इज़ माय लाइन. सो अभी रिसेंटली फॉर पास्ता ओनली दिस वन थिंग दैट हैपेंड इज़ अ प्रोजेक्टर, ठीक है? सो प्रोजेक्टर का एक सीक्वेंस था जहाँ पे प्रोजेक्टर के ऊपर हम कुछ दिखाने वाले थे, एंड आई टोल्ड द एडी दैट 3 दिन पहले ही इज़ गोइंग टू किल मी इफ ही इज़ गोइंग टू लिसन टू दिस पॉडकास्ट. 3 दिन पहले मैंने उसको बोला था इसके टेस्ट करा दे. सो इज़ लाइक नो, आई एम अ फोटोग्राफर, आई एम अ डिजिटल फिल्म मेकर, मुझे पता है कुछ नहीं होगा, ये प्रोजेक्टर तो चल जाएगा, मेरे को बता, मेरे को बोल, मैं बॉस हूँ, मतलब आई एम लाइक तेरे से ज़्यादा मुझे पता है. एंड आई वाज देख लेना शूट के दिन, अभी ठीक है चलेगा. एंड वी वेस्टेड fucking 3 hours of our life on that projector.
ऑन सेट.
Yes. And
Dude.
and then I was like, मैंने तो बोला था. But because we are like we enjoy, there was no stress during that day because we had like a lot of time. But
Yeah,
अगर stressful day होता तो फिर
that would be
मैंने तो
chaotic.
बोला था से मैंने बोला था होता हो जाता
टोन
था.
टोन
But
चेंज हो जाता है
yes.
इंसान का. But how does it, like, a lot of people don't understand, like people who are not from production again
Yeah.
will never understand the plan and the manner ads are shot and the way music videos are shot,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
how is it different
Uh,
as
it's
a filmmaker?
as a filmmaker, if advertising is more into like, you know, तुमको सब approvals पे चलना पड़ता है, right? Music video is like just one agency and the director and the crew, that's it. But when it comes to ads, it works on agencies approval, it works on clients approval, it works on directors approval, it works on
There are multiple communication
multiple
channel.
communication channels and also the other departments also कि ये हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता, because there is like a lot of money that has been involved.
And I think more on the ads part, it's a domino effect for every change which happen.
Every
I
change.
like we have seen, we have heard stories like ये change किया तो उसकी वजह से ये भी change करना पड़ेगा.
जी
अब
हाँ.
if you're changing the background, your costume
Yes,
changes.
yes,
If you're
yes.
doing anything, it changes everything, and you have to start that planning again.
Right.
So
So when I sit on scheduling, I have to look about like if I'm doing an outdoor shoot, अगर कुछ कर रही हूँ तो मुझे 10-15 चीज़ें देखनी पड़ती है. For example, if I'm from Bombay, I'm flying anywhere, I'll have to see if there's a direct flight to that space. What
correct.
are the, if it's going to rain or if it's not going to rain,
Oh,
how
weather
the weather is
forecast.
going to be. Uh,
I think that's the
Permissions.
I think the first thing where whenever I'm doing any shoot out of Mumbai, I just pick up my phone. I just see कि भाई weather क्या है.
But वो help नहीं करता है, पर
बट
ठीक है.
एटलीस्ट
वो
15-20
दिलासा
तो कर
रहता
ले,
है. जी
तो
हाँ.
उतना तो कर ले. और मैं इधर कोई दोस्त रहता है ना, मैं उसको बोलता हूँ भाई मुझे उस लोकेशन पे कंपास का एक फोटो खींच के भेज दे भाई,
हाँ,
सनराइज
it's very
सनसेट किधर से हो रहा है.
important. No, we हाँ मतलब हम तो रेकी पे जाते हैं, we do it.
हाँ.
Location रेकी करके आते हैं. But like recently, there was this one project I was working on and we were going to shoot in Bangalore.
Oh damn, I
And
just came from Bangalore.
oh,
Yeah.
so when I made the schedule, the forecast said that it is going to be sunny on that day. Shoot के 2 दिन पहले, when I saw the forecast, it said it's going to rain heavily.
Heavy rain, 100%.
100% heavy rain. Everything, tickets are booked, crew is aligned, cast are locked, everything is done.
Everybody is booked.
Everything is done. And you're just like, what do we do now? We can't stop rains. We were like, it's okay, let's just take a leap of faith and let's just go. We went, it did not rain. And I think during that shoot day, deep inside, there was this one part of me was just praying कि भगवान प्लीज बारिश ना दिलाओ. Like I love the rains, but ठीक है, पैकअप के बाद आपको जितनी
Not
बारिश
today.
दिलानी है दिला दो, बट ये 3-4 घंटे मुझे बारिश नहीं चाहिए, प्लीज भगवान प्लीज. एंड लाइक आई वॉज लेजिट लाइक वर्किंग और आई वॉज मेकिंग श्योर कि कहाँ डीले अगर हो रहा है तो आई वॉज पुटिंग माई फुट्स कि अगर रंगोली बनाने के लिए भी डीले हो रही है, मैं जाके रंगोली बनाऊंगी, बारिश नहीं होनी चाहिए बस. So, but yeah, it did not rain. God was with us during that day.
But like as a producer, like you have done every, like you have done every part of India, right? You have shot everywhere.
Yeah, almost.
Do you prefer shooting outside or prefer to shoot in Mumbai?
Bombay, yes, comfort, of course. Bombay is comfort, man. Bombay is the best
It
place to.
feels home.
It feels home.
Like
Like
आप कुछ भी इंस्टेंट मंगवा सकते हो, आप
मंगवा
कुछ भी कर
सकते
सकते,
हो,
यू हैव
मंगवा सकते हो.
कंट्रोल एज अ प्रोड्यूसर
Yeah,
कि मतलब डू यू वांट पर्टिकुलर लाइट्स, यू वांट एनीथिंग,
yeah.
ऑर्बिटल भी चाहिए हम मंगा लेंगे
अगर
यार
किसी को चारकोल का पानी पीना है, चारकोल वाटर, इफ समबडी हैज टू ड्रिंक दैट वाटर,
इंस्टेंट
तुम कहीं और नहीं ढूंढ सकते हो. मैंने लेजिट बॉम्बे में 3 बजे जाके ढूंढा है
मिल जाता
चारकोल
है.
वाटर. लाइक आई नो चारकोल वाटर, लोग सोचेंगे ये चारकोल वाटर की क्या बात कर रही है, बट इट इज
इट
इम्पोर्टेंट
इज
फॉर
इम्पोर्टेंट.
समबडी. सो या,
या मतलब लाइक डू यू प्रेफर शूटिंग इंडोर्स और आउटडोर्स? व्हाट इज योर कॉल ऑन दैट, टेक ऑन दैट?
आउटडोर एज एन आउट ऑफ द सिटी.
No, like outdoors on street.
Anywhere in Bombay, I love shooting in Bombay.
But do you prefer like a indoor, like a studio kind of setup, or something like outdoor
Uh, Indoor shoots are very easy to go. Outdoor shoots are like fun
challenge?
because there are challenges. So I love outdoor shoots.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Like
What is
wo,
the most craziest part of Mumbai you have shot?
when I was shooting in Dharavi, I guess.
Oh, dude.
Yeah. And आजकल drone shoots, dude. I mean, पहले अगर तुम 5 साल पहले मुझे पूछते तो there were drone shoots happening, but इतने intensity के साथ नहीं होते थे जो अभी. It's like
Everywhere.
everywhere. Like there's a drone on set for sure.
Even if we don't want a shot like a fall shot, रखा है.
रखा है.
I
ड्रोन
have,
रहता है या बैकअप में कि हाँ एक का इंक्वायरी अवेबिलिटी चेक करके रखो, बिकॉज
you never know.
यू नेवर नो.
Like I guess 5 years back there were not a lot of pilots.
या
Accessibility नहीं थी. Expensive gears से. People were not
हाँ.
getting paid also.
या राइट.
Like I remember a lot of my friends who were like drone pilot, who are like now senior, they used to get paid like very less, very less.
Now drone shooting
Like
is like a department.
department, and it's a skill set right now.
Yeah.
Pehle, and like it's as videographers and like cine people, right?
Yeah.
There's a different set. वैसे drone के भी अभी set हो गए. Like there, I have found people who just fly drone, and there are people who actually fly drones.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
now you know the difference when they fly drone.
Yeah.
So I have
मतलब पहले तो you were just aware about that one drone.
एक ऐसा shot
एक
लेगा.
ऐसा शॉट आएगा, बट अभी drones के भी कितने
Like
वेरिएशंस
now
हैं.
there are
तुमको
like experienced drone pilot who are tracking people on street, like
Yeah.
automobile. They are doing super great content, and now they're matching. I think now the content is matching the international standards in India,
exactly.
and I'm loving it.
Same, and I love working on such projects. It's like fun.
But I just, out of everything, I want to cut. And did you see a movie called Maidan?
I started it yesterday, but I'm yet to like
Complete it. Tell me, उसके shots full advertisement shots की तरह लिए हैं, पता है? It's
Because-
proper advertisement shots. Like you see all that football turf वाले shot ना, the full control, like whole cammed all people. They have done the whole filmmaking in terms of ad.
तो अच्छी है या बुरी है?
It's crazy. And the
Because
point
it's
was,
shot by an ad film director. It's
I-
directed by an ad film director.
it's done by
Amit
Sudeep.
Sharma.
No, I guess it's done by Sudeep. I'm not sure.
Who's directed Maidan?
Amit Sharma.
Yes.
Correct. Yeah, I was talking about the
The
DP.
DOP.
So
Okay.
he is, of course, he's great. He's superb. But I loved it. And the point was, we see advertisements in our phone, on our laptops. But
Yeah.
seeing that content on a larger screen, like on a theater, it was amazing. And I think we should do more of such stuff in films. Like that was something very out of the box, and
Yeah.
I loved it. Like I've seen such kind of content for like a mobile company or somebody doing. We have seen that those ads in a phone. It looks
Yeah.
great, but when you see that same kind of a filmmaking on a bigger screen,
It's fun watching.
It's amazing, and I think nobody is speaking about it, but I want to speak it about because I felt, as a person who's from the industry,
Huh.
I loved it, and I
I'm
want to
gonna
see
watch it
more.
again. Like I'm gonna start it again.
Yeah, you should, and you'll understand what exactly I'm talking about, and you'll love it. So amazing.
So I
But-
wanted to wake up early to come here, so I thought that okay, Maidan, tomorrow I'm gonna watch you again. You
Madam,
called me
sorry,
early.
madam. But yeah, like we are, like you have done a lot of ads, right?
Yeah.
You have done spots also.
Yes.
For a lot of people don't understand कि भाई एक 15 सेकंड के ad को, spot को शूट करने के लिए कितना टाइम लग सकता है.
अरे 15 सेकंड की तो ऐड है, हो जाएगी.
1 घंटा या 2 घंटे का काम है. एक
हाँ ना,
घंटा लाइटिंग
15
करना, 2
सेकंड है
घंटे में तो
भाई.
मेकअप
क्या ही
वेकअप करके
होगा,
शूट हो
हो
जाता है.
जाएगा. बस कपड़े बनाना है, मेकअप करवाना है, वो तो 1 घंटे में हो जाएगा, लाइट्स तो ऐसी ही लगती है।
हाँ,
No, it takes like an entire day to shoot a 15-second,
exactly.
depending on the script, depending on the intensity of that script, depending on the prep time. There has come a time where I've worked on a 15-second for 15 more than 15 days actually, and
Damn.
we were shooting for like 2 days, but because of the intensity, because of the kind of equipments that we were working with, because of the kind of art that was expected. So yeah.
That is needed. I still remember like pre-lighting takes half of your day,
Yeah.
and people don't understand कि इसमें क्या ही था. मैं
लाइट से तो लगाना है.
बोला यार लगाओ. Our sets पे you will understand why it takes so much of a time. First of all, it takes 1.5 hours to unload everything.
Yeah, dude. More than that sometimes.
But again, like after it takes a lot of time. But what you have seen when you started out, you must have seen the whole OTT thing coming, right?
Yeah, yeah.
In like advertisement from TVCs to DVCs, you have seen everything in your
Yeah, yeah.
when you started
Because
out.
I remember when I used like initially we used to have physical PPMs. We used to fly to Bangalore. We
Buzz.
used to yeah, we used to fly
The
to
OG style of advertising.
हाँ, ऐसे पेन ड्राइव के अंदर पूरा पीपीएम डॉकेट डाउनलोड करके सारे ऑडिशंस लेके जाओ. में से तो पहले वाले लोगों ने तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही एफर्ट्स डाले ऑफ कोर्स, बट आई कम फ्रॉम अ न्यूअर जनरेशन.
Uh,
तो मैंने तो पेन ड्राइव वाली ज़िंदगी जी है. पेन ड्राइव, हार्ड ड्राइव, उसमें सब कन्वर्ट करके डालना है. सारा पीपीएम डॉकेट्स, वर्किंग फाइल होनी चाहिए, पीडीएफ होना चाहिए. देन
oh, dude.
लाइक देयर इज़ लाइक अ फोल्डर फॉर कास्टिंग, एंड तुम कास्ट जो शॉर्टलिस्टेड कास्ट है उसका अलग फोल्डर बनाओ. यूट्यूब लिंक्स बाद में बनने लगे, बट
Hmm.
यू नो व्हेन यू आर डूइंग अ फिजिकल पीपीएम तुम यूट्यूब क्यों ओपन करोगे? देन तुम्हें पता है कि अगर पता नहीं है तुमको कि वहाँ पे नेटवर्क होगा कि नहीं होगा,
Correct.
सो तुम डोंगल लेके भी जाओगे. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हम करते थे. कट टू नाउ, लाइक पीपीएम चल रही है, एडी अपलोड कर रहा है ऑडिशंस. इट्स सो क्विक, यू नो, लाइक जस्ट इन केस अगर कुछ चेंज है, लास्ट मोमेंट चेंज है, हाँ ठीक है, अपलोड हो रहा है. जब तक हम वो
जब तक पहुंचेंगे तब तक हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा. Everything is
On
so
the go.
yeah, dude.
And it's everything is so fast right now, like from everything like making a ppm, but even like opportunities of making advertisements have changed. Like earlier we only had tvcs, right?
Yeah.
Now
Now
there is
there
a
are
lot
digital
of like
films.
you have spots for Hotstar, you have cinema,
Yeah.
you have spots, you have promos for all these
Yeah, there's
shows on
so
owning.
many cut downs. There are so many cut downs.
There are so many
And
opportunities, but
uh
with these so many opportunities has I've seen a lot of budgets being fluctuated
yeah.
because of reel Instagram
Yes.
reels,
Yes. Yes.
the vertical stories.
जी हाँ.
So it has, I don't understand how brand decides the cost, because when it goes to digital the effort is the same.
But the amount is not the same.
It's very different. Like I've seen the same brand spending on a tvc for a similar kind of ad for 80 lakh, but when it comes to digital they are coming down to I guess 8-10 lakhs.
Yeah, because
They are ready to spend for the actor on a plus plus thing, but they
but
want to do like a production in 10 lakh rupees, and I'm like, how do we do that?
yeah, because the तुमने अगर रेट कार्ड्स देखे तो रेट कार्ड्स ही अलग अलग होते हैं.
Hmm.
रेट कार्ड्स ही अलग अलग होते हैं. तो आई डोंट थिंक सो क्लाइंट भी कुछ गलत कर रहा है.
But don't you think like the effort, the crew is same, the person is the same, the
तुम्हारा
production?
तुम्हारा कॉस्ट ही डिफरेंट हो जाता है. तुम अगर टीवीसी में शूट कर रहे हो, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू आर चार्जिंग लाइक अ लैक फॉर अ टीवीसी, यू
Correct.
वोंट चार्ज लाइक अ लैक फॉर अ डिजिटल फिल्म. यू
But
विल
you will
बी
not ask for a one like a 10% of that cost even, right?
मे बी डिपेंड्स.
But why is that such a difference in the cost? Just to understand numbers.
I wouldn't like give you like a right answer to it. I don't know if that my answer would justify what I'm trying to say, or what you're trying to ask. It's maybe just because digital hai yaar. It's like more easier, more
Because my point is very simple, right? Uh, the ad, the motive behind anything content which
hmm,
is making is going for advertising.
Hmm.
advertisement for marketing later. It's the number of people who are going to consume that
The
particular
investment in TVCs, the amount, because I think TVCs goes everywhere. The TG is everywhere. It goes in small towns, but internet is not reaching everywhere. I think that is the.
But I guess after being Mr. Ambani did that thing, sorted that thing for us.
But
Yeah,
up
that's
tak,
true. Like internet is there on tier one and tier two and tier three. It has
it
starting
has just started.
like
Maybe
because the phones
let's
are now
hope
getting
that.
cheaper.
Huh,
Then you can actually can access everything. But I guess every guy has a good smartphone right now
yeah.
with 1 GB of great internet every day. So I don't think everything is on phone right now. Correct. So,
Hmm.
and whenever you are selling a product which is basically focusing on a tier one and a tier two city, still the digital content pieces for production is cheaper when TVCs are expensive. And I'm damn sure that a lot of people are not watching their television right now.
Mhm.
Everybody has access to their
Like
phones.
we usually watch the ads on social
Every,
media rather
correct,
than on TV.
correct.
ये आप पूछो चलो hope let's just hope that कि budgets बढ़ जाए
बढ़
digital
जाने चाहिए
budgets.
मतलब आई थिंक इट्स द होल इंडस्ट्री विच हैज टू कम एंड से कि भाई व्हेन यू आर डूइंग लाइक आई फील द TVC's number of production has reduced
Hmm.
and digital has boomed. Of
Yeah.
course it's new, it has to boom, it has to,
Yeah.
but it has to now set a number
I
ki,
don't know who started this culture कि digital में कम पैसा लगता है
and the
and
worst thing,
TVC में ज़्यादा लगता है.
हाँ that is very weird for me. The next weird thing is कि भाई यदि हम vertical shoot करें तो ये तो normal इसका budget और कम होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
That is
ये
the
logic मुझे भी थोड़ा fathom नहीं करता but
but I think कि मतलब with time it will
it will
automatically
change
reset and it will
because
come
of course people of our age are now becoming the client.
correct.
The old school way of working is changing and people are now developing their own skills and there are every year there is new variation, every year there's new thing that is happening.
110% that will be there. And but I want to like as a freelancer, you're a freelancer. Yeah.
Yes.
And how is a freelancer producer different from an agency producer? Like how do you operate as a freelancer producer?
So agency producer is like they work for the agency, they
Correct.
don't have liberty to work for anyone or anybody, right? As a freelance producer, I have liberty to chill, I have liberty to work whenever I want to work, and I have liberty to choose my job.
Hmm. So do you have a set kind of a genre of clients that you want to work? Or
Mm.
is are you open to anything which comes on your road and which interests you?
So one conscious decision that I had made, but I hope that I follow forever, that's not to work on beauty brands
Beauty brands.
because I don't want to
Promote.
promote fair skin and beautiful skin. I just want people to say that you're just perfect. Because जब मैं बड़ी हो रही थी तो I used to see those TVCs and I used to be like मुझे भी ऐसे बनना है.
Complexity.
Yes,
Which is fake.
which is fake. So
Makes sense.
that's why I don't want to work on beauty brands and I make sure that if I get a job of a beauty brand, if it's avoidable, then I say no to such jobs because I don't want to promote beauty. I don't want to promote that word.
Until something very organic and which actually
Yes,
actually
yes,
tells the truth, you don't
yeah,
want to pick it up.
yeah.
That's very fair and a very great
And I
message.
don't think so I've done any beauty brand as of yet. No.
Interesting. So as a freelance producer, so it's do you project to brands? Do you pitch your projects to brand or how does it work?
So as a freelance producer, I work with production houses only. So they hire me, and then they approach the clients. So this is this route that I take. But for pasta, we do speak to
Pitch.
the agencies. Yeah, we pitch to the agencies, and then that's how we get a job.
Interesting. So
But we have been lucky enough that अब तक हमने maybe like 5 या 6 लोगों को pitch किया होगा. And because of the work, the kind of work that we have been delivering,
You
People are,
bagged all the
yeah, people are calling us.
100% success rate.
Yes.
Interesting. And I think work speaks for you guys.
Yeah.
And I've already seen your previous works to your current work, and I think there has been always a progressive growth
Yes.
of content,
Yeah.
and that excites me for the next one which you're doing.
Yes.
That's why I always text you whenever you're on a shoot. Like last time you were in
Yes.
Jaipur or
Yes.
somewhere,
Yes.
I
Yes.
texted, "What are you doing?" And I'm like, it looks interesting, and that's me, right?
Yeah.
I'm very excited when I see my friends doing something big. It
Yeah.
makes me super happy.
Same. That's how I reply to your stories. Dude, I'm so proud of you. Whatever you're doing, I'm just proud of
I
you.
think we are in the same zone of
Yeah.
people who wants to collectively grow.
Yeah.
We are not those kind of people that we get envy of. Like if somebody's
No,
doing a bigger
no.
shoot, यार इसको कैसे मिल गया?
नहीं, ये बात I don't think so.
मजा नहीं आता.
नहीं, मजा नहीं आता उससे.
And I guess I think we sink in the mindset.
Yeah.
We are a very community driven people. Like we want the community to grow with us,
Yeah.
and because
Especially Navi Mumbai public.
gang. But exactly, dude, like I feel very happy when I find somebody from Navi Mumbai or anywhere. Like if I know them and they're doing great, I just want to be connected with them, and
Yeah.
I just want to see them grow, and I pray for them. Like malab, I don't join my hands and pray, but I always want them to do
You
better
wish them
every
luck.
day.
Yeah.
Every
Yeah.
day you wake up and you do something better. That's my aim,
हाँ.
and I hope that other person does the same for me.
Exactly.
क्योंकि अपनी तो दुआ ऊपर वाला सुन रहा, नहीं तो तुम्हारी सुन ले.
तुम्हारी सुन ले. But yeah, I तो have like a soft corner for any crew member who's coming from Navi Mumbai, because वो होता है ना, अच्छा you stay in Navi Mumbai, oh my god, that's so far. So ये चीज जो है ना, तो फिर मैं वो soft corner है मुझे अभी नवी मुंबई के लोगों के लिए कि oh
I
you're
think
working,
we are
okay.
blessed to be in Navi Mumbai.
Yeah, dude,
Come
plan city clean, come
clean,
on,
plan,
आवाज नहीं.
sorted, no traffic.
Yeah.
I love it. Like मैं वो वाशी ब्रिज का टोल भरता हूँ ना, उसके बाद मुझे पता है मैं अभी कैसे भी आराम से 1 घंटा भी
हाँ,
मुझे
it's
इधर
like
रुकना है.
homecoming.
हाँ, वो होम कमिंग, एंड यू नो अब घर पहुंच गए.
अब घर पहुंच
अभी
गए.
घर पहुंचने को अभी भी है 20 मिनट, पर घर
Yeah,
पहुंच
yeah,
गए.
घर पहुंच गए. After
And when
Vashi,
you
it's
have
like
you have to go to Mumbai and your Google Map says it's 20 minutes. Fuck, 20, dude.
20. Yeah, I know.
It's
I
and
know.
you know that 20 minutes is basically 5 minutes
Like
of no
going
traffic.
early in the morning, जब early call time होता है,
I
4 बजे
love it.
निकलते हैं, पाम बिच रोड से जाते हुए, ओहो द फीलिंग, विंडोज ओपन रखो और बस एंजॉय करो. एंड देन जैसे ही वाशी क्रॉस करते हो, ठीक है, विंडो बंद करने की टाइम.
जरूरत हो जाती
हाँ.
है. It's all.
Yeah.
But as now following, you have produced you have done a shoot.
Yeah.
What is the next format of post production? Like, how involved are you in any ad or a music video as such? Like, what is your, as a producer, you don't need to be there,
Yeah.
like whole and soul. Of course, you have to take care
Yeah, I have to
all the
monitor
mandates, all the
everything.
hygiene has to be
Yes,
there.
yes.
But you have somebody who is called a post producer who has to
Yes,
take care
yes.
of this project post shoot.
Yeah.
But as a producer, do you have your own inputs to?
Yes. I am very religious that I go to every session, let it be grading session. I'll not sit there for that entire period for hours and hours, but I'll be there. I make sure that I attend online sessions, I attend music session, I attend every offline online grade, सब कुछ मैं बैठती हूँ, because मुझे मज़ा आता है, because I think I'm very curious as a person. I want to know what's happening. If that person is working on that machine, what's that machine is all about? Why are they working? So that is a perk point for me, and also the production houses that work with me, because ye rehti hai, they know that she's there. So yeah, so even if it's late in the night, I make sure that मैं भी रुकूं मेरे crew के साथ कि
Damn.
मुझे रुकना है, मुझे घर नहीं जाना है. If you guys are waiting, I'm not gonna do anything. Maybe I'll just read a book, but I'll be there.
Interesting, dude.
So, but yeah, I involve myself completely.
At max.
Yeah.
Damn, interesting. But
मेरी
yeah.
जरूरत नहीं होती है.
हाँ,
but
मतलब मेरा वही
नहीं
point
होती है, but मैं
प्रोड्यूसर कुछ
रहती हूँ.
करता ही नहीं है, मतलब
Until and unless like I am super busy where there's another project lined up for me. उसके अलावा I don't think so. I miss my post ka sessions. I be there. I once a day. If I'm not there, I'll call my post producers. I'll just ask them. After 2 hours, they know that she's going to call. So like, हाँ, like मैं call करती हूँ and they're like, हो गया है, don't worry, हो गया है. अभी आपको मिल जाएगा. हमने ये किया, ये किया. So now they know me so now they are also okay with it. Like we know that after 2 hours, Kranti is going to call and ask us what's the status. So yeah,
That's there. So whenever you work on any project, like you have a freedom of choosing a director, right? As a
depends.
producer.
Depends. If the brand, the client, and the script wants a specific director,
But you must be having
yeah, I
options.
I do have my inputs until and let's say it's not like the in-house director.
Correct.
If they are okay to hire freelance directors, then we do hire freelance directors depending on their work. कि अगर senior director needed है वो script के लिए तो we do look for senior directors. Depend also on the budget. And then if the script is okay to have somebody who's just started, then why not? It's okay to give a
Sweet.
chance because maybe I'm also young. Someone has given me a chance, so why not give chance to people?
But how do you make sure like getting somebody young to a project and making sure that clients also trust that vision? That is also very important, right?
That's my skill.
Oh, damn.
That's
Interesting.
why I get. That's what I get paid for.
Interesting. Like that's a more important thing. Like trusting a new person's vision,
Yeah, and being backing that person is
backing
very
that person as a
important.
producer, because that's your role, right?
Yeah,
You have to like you are the captain of the ship, right? Like
yeah,
you need to make sure the next generation also starts filling up in the scene. So
yes.
as a producer you need to get the right.
कभी कभी मैं भूल जाती हूँ कि मैं प्रोड्यूसर हूँ और that's my crew because I gel up so much with them that they are like they get worried that is it okay to, like, you know, there's this thin line between the crew and the producer. They get worried कि are we okay to talk this to her or is it not okay to talk? But then I make sure that everyone feels the same because that's how I've been taught, that everybody should feel the same.
Right. And that's more important to be that way on sets
Yeah,
with people, because we are all human, right? We
right.
want somebody nice to work with.
Exactly.
And
And
when you
that's how you'll enjoy your work. अगर मैं ही एटीट्यूड दिखाऊंगी या मैं ही स्ट्रिक्ट बनूंगी फॉर नो जॉय, इफ आई वांट टू हैव टू बी स्ट्रिक्ट आई बी स्ट्रिक्ट. बट अगर मैं ऐसी अननेसेसरीली अगर मैं कुछ कोई काम के लिए मैं अपनी एटीट्यूड फेंक रही हूँ तो इट्स अ डोमिनो इफेक्ट.
correct.
It's going to affect the crew, it's going to affect the work, it's going to affect the outcome that's going to come back to me.
Interesting. And so, Kranti, what's your plan moving forward in life? Like, do you want to just do ads, music video, or you want to get into bigger, longer formats as well?
That's a dream to get into long formats, but I am kind of working on it.
Yeah. Like, you have you done like a short film?
Yes, I have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've never seen it. Send me the link.
The DA, the my first gig as a DA was a short film.
Oh, is
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
Interesting.
First ever project of my life was a short film.
I think that's
See, Shubham नहीं
everybody's.
पता था. But
मैंने
that
कभी नहीं.
was that
I
that
have
has
produced
gone
a short
for
film, by the way.
like a lot of film festival and it has won a lot of it's there on OTT also.
Oh, sweet.
तो मैंने काम किया है लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट पे बिकॉज वो ऐसे होता है लाइक यू नो द लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट प्रोड्यूसर दे लाइक तू तो एडवर्टाइजिंग की प्रोड्यूसर है तुझे नहीं पता है बट भाई मैंने स्टार्ट ही
Excuse
वहाँ से
me, I
किया
started from there.
हेलो.
I have just come for advertisement to chill.
No, but because I love advertising space, to be honest, I love those challenges. I love that pressure from the agency. I love the pressure from the client. I enjoy it.
I I feel I know how it feels like. That's the adrenaline you want. कि
Yeah,
सोने से पहले मैं एक बार ये
yeah,
जब figure out करके I sort this out, then I go to
exactly,
sleep.
exactly.
But like moving forward, do you want to get into like the longer format game?
Yes, I do, but not so soon. Maybe like I just take a leap of faith and I get into whatever I get into.
So are you waiting for that opportunity, or
I am waiting for that opportunity to just hit my door, and there I am.
hey, nice, you'll do that. I'll do that, and
Yeah,
you'll do
it's a
great.
dream to start something of my own. Of course, pasta is still there. It's going to be there, but I want to start something solely for myself, and maybe like do a long format.
Interesting. Tell me something fun about, like, people don't know how sets are. how fun the sets are.
Yeah.
Tell people about what is the most fun stuff you have done on set. Like, what's the most craziest experience or like a story which always is in your head, like you can discuss with your friends. Like, I have a lot of stories, right?
I
I
would want to know that those first,
first
and
you
then
not this. You are invited. So please,
we are friends. We talk.
I'll call you later. First your story. Come on.
No, dude. This just fun. Sets are fun.
Yeah, like
I want to know your stories first.
I don't want to, like, I right now it's just that thing which happened to me, which we were talking before this,
What was that?
the music video one, which never happened. So, like, it's the most depressing thing about my career, but
Huh.
now I've started laughing on it.
Huh.
I have came over it ki bhai, we prepped for the whole gig, right?
Oh yeah.
We made all the ppm, we met all the requirement, we were in budget, we were placed everything. We went on the day of production, and the artist decided not
Not
to
to come.
arrive, and
Hmm.
we still don't know the reason.
It's little disrespected,
It's
disrespectful
disrespectful.
towards the crew, like towards the
And there were
people that.
150 people on set, and at the end moment, like, I still remember a day or 2 days before, the management asked for a few dancers, background dancers. I called help from all my friends, like, and these
Hmm.
are the people who have done a lot of bigger videos, right? I
Yeah.
just being friends, they said ki we'll come on board since you are there. And I got a lot of rappers as a background. I got professional
I could
dancers.
just imagine what you must be going through at that moment. Maybe it's funny now, but
Yeah,
तभी
it was,
तुम्हारा हालत
I
क्या
like,
होगा?
my line producer and me, we were standing there, and we were like, Shom bhai, सही में पैकअप? आई लाइक हाँ, हम लोग ने लाइटिंग कर दी, हमने सब फर्स्ट सेट हमने लगा के रेडी किया है, सेकंड सेट का काम चल रहा है पैरेलली. वी आर शूटिंग इन मड, everything was called there, like 150 people, like the dance crew, like the rapper, background rapper,
Yeah.
everybody on set having their breakfast. Everybody was on set at 6 o'clock, everybody had their breakfast, everybody was on set.
Yeah.
And we were waiting 9 o'clock, he was supposed to come. 10 बज गए, 11 बज गए. The
But
management
then,
decided not to pick our call anymore. The label were clueless what's
yeah.
happening.
Yeah.
And ultimately at 1 o'clock they said ki it's not happening, he's not arriving. And that's where we decided it's a pack up. And it broke us. Like, at that point we were क्या बोल सकते हैं यार dude. Like,
हाँ.
हमने वो मेहनत किया, इतना टाइम दिया,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
ultimately it never happened. We had to break this news to everybody that the shoot has been called off.
Yeah.
And people thought I am pranking. Out of nowhere, the what 50 people thought the producer is pranking. And I like,
Wow.
dude, go
That's like
home.
the worst thing that the producer could say कि आज shoot नहीं हो रहा है. ये मेरे साथ भी हुआ है.
मतलब,
Like
as a producer, we'd never want to jinx it, right?
true that.
Like, हम कुछ गलत नेगेटिव बोलना ही नहीं चाहते कि कहीं
N-
कुछ सच हो
Exactly.
गया तो fuck, we are blamed for it.
Exactly.
And
Yeah,
so,
you laugh about it at the later stage because yeah, it's like a memory that
yeah.
bad memories are the good memories for future.
Like, now it's like a ice breaking conversation for me. Like, do you know what happened to me?
Yeah. So ऐसे मेरा भी एक shoot like the end. It was not because of the artist. The artist was super supportive.
Yeah.
It was because of the location. The electricity of that location had gone off, and it had gone off like a day prior, but the location didn't tell us that the electricity is gone. uh, हम जिनी भी लगा सकते थे बट वो भी फ्यूज ऑफ हो गया था. लाइक द
Fuck.
मेन फ्यूज हैड गॉन ऑफ, सो हमारे पास कुछ
Bad omen.
कुछ नहीं था. वी माई एंटायर क्रू वॉज स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द लोकेशन. डायरेक्टर, आई, line producer, artists, dancers, everybody was out there. But पता नहीं, like while coming on set only there was this one intuition कि ऐसे लग ही नहीं रहा था कि मैं शूट के लिए जा रही हूँ. ऐसे लग रहा था मैं बस ऐसी एवी जा
आज
रही हूँ,
निकली हूँ बस.
बस निकली हूँ. And this was for pasta only, but I think that shoot has taught us so much that we were upset for 1 hour. Exactly for 1 hour we were upset कि नहीं हो रहा है ये. But after that 1 hour, we were like, something better is going to happen for us. Let's just hope for that. And yes, it did happen. Like
Yeah.
that project turned out to be like one of the best projects that we've worked on. And wo project ke baad, in fact, we have started to get a lot of work.
Is it the Arman Malik
The
project?
Lisa Mishra one.
Oh, dude.
Adat.
Adat.
Yeah.
Interesting. I like the video, dude.
Yeah.
But it happened after so much.
Yes.
Doesn't look
And
like it.
Lisa was super supportive because we just went to her and we told her that the location is the issue, and she was super supportive. She's like, "Yeah, it's fine, it's okay. Let's just
I
go."
like such artists, dude, who
And the
supports.
crew was so supportive. Ki everybody is like, "We are there with you." Nobody charged cancellation because all of us, like, it was like group of friends coming together and doing something,
Respect, respect.
and it has helped, and we are like forever grateful for that crew that they helped us so much because आई वाज लाइक पूरा क्रू आ गया है, अभी क्या करेंगे हम? इट्स डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल, ए यस। सेकंड थिंग, मेरे को ऐसे लगा था बीइंग अ प्रोड्यूसर, व्हाट डिड आई डू? यू नो, डिडंट आई डिडंट चेक और व्हाट? Was it my mistake? But then later on it was like, no, it was not our mistake. It just happened. It was an accident that
It was
happened.
a bad day where
It
you were
was
a
a
part
bad
of that
day.
day.
Yeah. And but now when we look at it, we're like, dude, हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, it's like
You
possible.
get a superpower after that, right?
Yeah,
Like even from my experience, I've understood that that was the most lowest hit I can take.
yeah,
Now anything coming forward, it's easy for me.
yeah.
Like अभी मुझे कोई भी बोलता ना यार शुभम कल परसों बैंगलोर में कुछ करना है, हो जाएगा ब्रो.
हाँ,
Because मैंने
exactly,
सबसे बुरा देख लिया है. Now I
exactly,
know how to deal with every shit which comes coming
exactly,
forward to me.
exactly. So I remember I'd worked on one project. जो project was like this, like immediately after my first producer's gig.
Okay.
उसी दिन, वो shoot के दिन हमारा एक phone पे का project confirm हुआ. We had just 3 days to prep,
Damn.
and there were 12 films to shoot. 12 proper films with 2 celebs.
Heavy.
And just 3 days of shoot. It was like a task. Like abhi tak Zigzag mein jab main jati hu, obviously Zigzag has now done like more difficult project, but that project was like the difficult one. कि 3 दिन में हमको पूरा set create करना है, 12 locations बनाने हैं.
Oh,
We had like,
fuck.
it was not outdoor, it was indoor. We
Indoor
had to
making
create
sets.
like a world.
12 sets.
12 sets in different, in like we had we had booked 2 studios and we had created like a massive sets.
Damn.
And though then like the crew was working day and night, I was, so there were like 12 TVCs,
Mm-hmm.
25 digital films and a still shoot. So it was like a challenge for us.
It is a challenge, dude. I still feel
And
it's a challenge.
after that project, it's like, come what may be, I am ready, I am just ready. मतलब तभी difficult अगर कोई दूसरा next project आया and then we're like, ठीक है 2 दिन है ना, कर लेंगे यार, हो जाएगा. Until and unless it's like कि नहीं, मतलब कुछ artwork बनाने के लिए time लगता है, which is
100%.
not possible. But then हम लोग, we are just ready, we're just like confident enough कि yeah, we'll do it.
All guns blazing.
Yeah, like I used to, then we like अभी तक मैं मेरे बॉस को जब मिलती हूँ, अनुपमा मैम को, तब I go and I just say, फोन पे किया है ना, आप कुछ भी कर लेंगे, because that was our difficult project and even the clients were like, dude, this is like something very difficult to like achieve, but you guys have done it. So yeah.
Interesting. Like, what do you think is the future of advertising? Like, how do you, like, it has shifted with every decade, it has evolved.
Yeah.
What is that next evolve you think it's gonna happen in?
AI.
Arish, do you really think AI gonna hit?
Even if humans are going to operate it, AI is a thing, I think.
Like, what
From
do you think
making
will?
the treatments to delivering the project.
Yeah, you think
Yeah.
it's gonna get automated and made by AI?
I am seeing that. I
Like, I've
can,
seen
like
PPM.
किसी ने तो मुझे बोला भी है कि एक टाइम आएगा जब director will be elsewhere, will be just typing something on the artificial intelligence machine and then bro shoot हो रही है कहीं और, ऐसे भी हो जाएगा.
I still feel we have not used a
And I
lot of
don't want that to
techniques.
happen, dude.
I
But I know
want,
that is going to happen.
but I think that will make the sets बेजान.
हाँ,
मतलब
right. जो एसेंस जाती है ना सेट बनाने में, वो
वो
3 दिन प्रेप, 2 दिन की शूट.
like for art to pre-lighting to everything, there is a process, and we enjoy human touch to it, and
Yeah.
AI will take away that human touch.
Yeah.
So I feel like I've seen people making like all the ppms on like AI, just
The
making like a,
dockets.
yeah.
But वो पता चल जाता है,
हाँ, of
to be
course. मतलब,
honest.
and I think a lot of clients are appreciating that you are doing in an efficient way,
हाँ.
where that a lot of techniques also, right?
Hmm.
Camera to cloud is not there in India right now. Like
Yeah.
there's already frame.io which is doing it, which has made it much easier.
Hmm.
We are not using it. We are not making offline edits on sets.
Yeah.
Where else in abroad,
Offline edits होते हैं set पे, honestly.
पर कैमरा टू क्लाउड करके
नहीं,
बहुत नहीं हो
वो
रहे.
नहीं होते.
ऑफलाइन इट्स ऑल
Offline,
द DIT way, how
yeah.
it's done. But I think still we can upgrade our working in a more efficient way on sets.
Hmm.
uh, Not on a smaller set, like a bigger set where you have a lot of freedom to do it. There is a
Hmm.
lot of features which we have not taken yet. I think that will be our Indian advertising moving forward for production,
Yeah.
where we will be using a lot of tech involved. There should be a lot of tech involved in it,
Yeah.
so that it makes our job easier and efficient, but keeping the human touch there.
Yeah.
Like I even wanted to ask, like, there has been in every industry there is an app. Do you think film industry should get an app for looking for locations, booking vendors? Do you think it would be cool?
Like a nap lab.
An app where you can book equipments, and and for example you need like a vintage
You,
college, and you just search on that app and you get multiple location with cost.
yeah. There are a few people who are working on it. I have spoken to a lot of people who
Yeah,
are working. Yes. There are people who are working on such apps. अभी like auditions के लिए तो तुम्हें पता है there are a lot of apps जो
correct,
use होती है. Even for voice over artists there are websites.
correct.
It's a form of an app only. And also for, but yeah, a lot of DOPs are also thinking about it, that like collectively they'll make something.
Yeah, I think there is some a much awaited tech which has to come for us,
Yeah, yeah.
which helps us like looking for location. There's a lot of location which we haven't heard, which we get
Exactly.
across every
Yeah,
day. Like,
yeah.
of course you must be there in a lot of groups. I am in a lot of groups.
No, I
You,
don't. I am not part of
I,
any
I
groups.
have another
Thankfully,
phone. I have another phone for that.
for the groups.
Yeah.
Nice.
Because
I don't want to
nobody calls
be.
on my main number, so everybody calls on that number. I never
Yeah,
pick up.
yeah. No. I am not there on any groups other
I'm
than
very.
my
I
brand
like
groups.
certain groups to know about the newer location which are entering in the market, like colleges, like some great colleges in Pune, to a lot of
Yeah,
location
and
in the outskirts, and they are very pretty amazing. So
yeah,
that I know I'm aware of it. So that's why I use such groups which are less number of people but quality number of people. So it's better to be in touch of knowing what's happening. But that's there.
post COVID, actually, there are a lot of people who've started to give their spaces for shoot.
Correct.
Like we were shooting in Kandivli, and there's this new space called Disha Studios.
Okay.
And we were like, Disha Studios ये कब कब आया, ये कब start किया? फिर बाद में देखा तो it was a warehouse which is now a studio.
Let's wrap this thing. I had a great conversation, but before this,
Hmm.
before we do an outro and say thank you to each other for inviting and getting you on board,
I
uh,
really wanted to do this, and I'm glad that
but now I'm
I'm
going to
doing
make it
it.
difficult for you with
Uh,
the end. You have to tell two truth and
huh?
one lie
About myself?
about situations on sets, okay? And you don't have to tell which is a lie.
Okay.
Everybody, including me and the people who are gonna watch, has to guess which is a lie and which are
Huh?
the two truths. So shoot.
Okay. DOP has fallen out from the trolley.
Okay.
Okay. Then I got scolding from my boss because I'd sent 2 days ka 1 day ka cost for a 2 day shoot.
Okay.
Then I have texted a line producer at 3 a.m. in the night after the shoot that we have missed to shoot 3-4 shots.
Dude, it's difficult. It's too difficult. Okay. I think
What's the truth?
the truth is the second and third one, and the first one is the lie.
No.
I will not guess it again. I'm done. But yeah, Thank you so much for
Thank you so much for
being on my
inviting
first
me.
episode.
ओहो,
It means a lot, and I will have you
I
again.
hope ये podcast की भी क्रांति हो जाए.
Yay! High five. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cut. Back up.
Back up.